Hello folks, yet another video. This time just a quick look at some of the new flowers that are appearing in the garden. See, look at that, these have come out overnight. I'm going to zoom back out, but you can see, if I show you, there's this is going to be full of white flowers, just like white and yellow, just like this one here, this daisy. And it's the whole area. But also down here, can you see here? Oh no, sorry, down at the bottom here, they're the Sweet Williams, so they're growing up nicely, so that they'll be out in a week or two. Now, let's just show you something else what came out overnight. My first orange or red poppy. It looks a bit like a Flanders, but whether it's very tiny, aren't they? Look at those. So tiny, they're only the length of, some of them are only the height of my finger. And these are about 8 inch, 200 mil high. But it's all nice to see all new colour appearing. So look, this Sacrilege is out now down here. Comes up every year. And you can see they're all out along the fence there, and I'm just thinking if we've got something else interesting to show you. Probably not, folks. I've got to do some weeding, as you can see. I don't know what's happening. Oh, yeah, look here, folks. You can see we've got some apples tucked here. You can see how they're growing. So there's, yeah, not bad. Might as well have a quick peep, might we? See if there's any more. I'm not going to have so many this year, but next year is looking excellent. They're all tucked away. I've got a few. I've treated the tree. I think it might need another treat. You can't really see where the others are, but I know there is some in there. They're just hiding away. Let's have a quick peep over the fence here, see whether we can see what's happening with the plum tree. Oh yeah. See if I can zoom in there, folks. It's somewhere. So it's a bit hard to find the spot, folks, with the sun and that. But there's lots on here at the moment. But we've still got the June drop to come. And the pear tree is just the same. Well, I believe it. Yes, I can see the pears on there. That's that tree. The sun's a bit bright. Got all the yellow daisies out here. Bleeding hearts are still out down here. And we've got some Sacrilege flowering. No poppies yet, but just look at all these. Just look at them. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 on there what I can see. I'm sure there's some more at the back. And then on this plant here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to have quite... Oh, and there's another one there, 10. We're going to have some nice... What's happened? Oh, look at that. Oh, just look at this, folks. Oh, what's happened here? Something is et into this plant here. What a shame. What a shame. Never mind. Never mind, there's a few more here, so... Yeah. Right. That's it. I think that's about a little update. Let's just see if there's anything else happening. There's lots of little seedlings, but I'm not sure what's weeds and what's not at the moment. Can you see what I mean by the dead snails? Don't know what's killing them. That's going to be interesting anyway. So that's it, that's a little update folks. Thanks for watching.